it because that man done put took a high price.
I know, I know.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
It's going sky.
Uh-huh. Popcorn.
Tons in there.
I don't like to eat all the sugar eat. Sugar candy. Coming soon. Easter coming soon. Easter. Right here, look. It's so cute.
Yeah, I go. You bought the other one from here.
Huh? I bought from no, I
Yeah,
didn't
you
buy
bought-
from
you
here.
bought some from here.
No, I didn't. I buy from Bahama. The one, another one.
Bahamas.
Yeah, I buy from Bahama.
They got some.
There you go.
I got more. Yeah, but I got another. I got more ones pictures over there.
Oh, you do? Okay. Yes. Keep
I was
it.
looking up. You want it?
Yeah, I want the pictures. Send me by phone. You have to send me the original.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, who's this?
Yeah, I don't know how much that one.
How much is it?
Yes. Okay, got it.
I'm sorry to hear that.
The glasses, people forgot.
Them shades, I probably would pick them up. Big glass.
I'm here.
Oh, you take it.
Are y'all interested in some cookies?
Things are healthy.
There's no healthy
Nothing
sugar.
healthy, excited. Just donation, you know. That's all.
Maybe sugar cane. Yeah, sugar cane juice is refreshing.
Oh yeah.
On a hot day and it's cold. It's,
Yeah.
man,
Buddy and crab. Let's go. Have some seafood.
wow,
And
look at
look at this. What is it right here? 69. Everything coming.
that. Get
We should order this. Order this one.
$69 for all that.
Yeah, order coming, but order this one trade. Whatever we want to order. Just come on, let's go. I cannot wait.
That's good.
Uh-huh. We got it. Yeah, take your time. Go up there.
We get a chance to do our exercise real quick.
Yep.
Love it.
Okay, let's go. Here. Oh, look. They still have buffet. Oh, buffet still open. We got everything, basically. Got everything. Okay. Not enough. Not good food, ma'am. Not enough. For like 29. Yeah, you go ahead order buffet. Oh, right here. I'm gonna sit. We already in here. And Nutty Buddy eat the crab. Nutty Buddy.
We had nutty buddies.
What do you call that with the orange juice and the champagne?
Mimosa.
Oh, mimosa.
Yeah.
Alrighty. I will bring this in and then I'll be right back with those drinks, alright?
Thank you.
Okay, no problem. And we have a wingling.
Thank you.
Right there. Thank you so much. Awesome. That's
Okay, we got a toast for mom.
Mom, good day.
Toast.
Been here for a minute now. I think you deserve every bit. That's Yingling. That's not Yingling.
good. Good, right?
That's nice and strong. They fish are good. They fish are good.
Yeah.
Turn me down the steps.
If you want.
Yeah, I like the seafood.
Seafood. Cocktail sauce.
Nobody gonna eat the crawfish?
No. It came by mistake.
Oh. I can't eat the crawfish.
No, that's a bowl, but it was small. I didn't think it was a bowl or a soup bowl when I was over
You
there.
eat them seafood?
Huh?
You eat those?
I eat those, yeah. But it's so hard, but I eat them. So hard.
No, you're okay.
Awesome.
Can you, I just need somebody, I guess we should
Take
come
it
back
out.
and take
You want me to take this for you?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
That's crazy good right here. That's work that everybody eats it like that.
That was really nice. A little too far up in the room.
Uh-huh.
You got that while she's in there, you know. Gotta hold it down. Under there. Don't see where it's going.
Oh, she was cheating on it.
You wasn't cheating. That left her.
Oh.
And you was like in New York, like you over here. Rich.
Yeah, very rich chocolate. So good.
Alright, come on.
Right here, look. It's so cute.
Yeah, I go. You bought the other one from here.
Huh? I bought from, no, I
Yeah,
didn't
you
buy
bought-
from
you
here.
bought some from here.
No, I didn't. I buy from Bahama. The one, another one.
Bahamas?
Yeah, I buy from Bahama.
They got some.
There you go.
I got more. Yeah, but I got another. I got more pictures over there.
Oh, you do? Okay. Yeah, some
I
pictures.
was looking up. You want it?
Yeah, I want the pictures. Send me by phone. You have to send me the original.
Hi. Hello.
Hi. Where's this?
Yeah, I don't know how much that one.
How much is it?
Yes. Okay, got it.